Want to learn my secret for easy, tasty, slow cooker carnitas? Watch this video to learn my slow cooker and Instant Pot method, plus 2 of my favorite pork carnitas recipes. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder. I'm here to help you have a happier, healthier mealtime. Today's recipes for carnitas bowl and a carnitas soup are both favorites amongst my thousands of meal plan subscribers, and I hope you love them too. Let's jump right in with the recipe for pork carnitas. You're going to start by making the pork rub. This includes 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. If you set aside a day to do your meal prep, I mix my seasonings ahead of time so they are ready to go at mealtime. You can also chop your onion and zest your orange at this time as well. Here is the carnitas slow cooker recipe. Rub the spice mix all over your pork. Add broth, orange juice, and red onion to the slow cooker. Add your pork and orange zest. Cook on low for 5 to 8 hours. Pulled pork in a slow cooker will get so nice and tender. For carnitas in an Instant Pot, the ingredients are the same. You will add your broth, orange juice, and chopped red onion, your spice rubbed pork, and orange zest. The only difference is that you are going to cook for 90 minutes on high. You will now remove your pork from the Instant Pot and shred using 2 forks. The method is the same for the carnitas from the slow cooker. My favorite part about crockpot carnitas and Instant Pot carnitas is they are perfect if you want to cook once and eat twice. So if you're looking for a batch cooking recipe, add this one to your list. Keep in mind that you can mix your spices and do your chopping ahead of time, or you can make the carnitas and then finish the recipes during the week. Bonus tip is that if you have extra, carnitas freeze really well. Another great thing about this recipe is that it is so friendly to a variety of diets. So whether you're needing paleo Instant Pot recipes, gluten-free slow cooker ideas, or keto crockpot recipes, this carnitas recipes fits the bill. And even if you have no particular restrictions, this recipe is just plain delicious. Now on to my favorite part, the recipes. We're gonna start with the carnitas bowl. You're going to start by placing shredded pork on a broiler pan and broil to make crispy for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This step is optional. From here, you're going to heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a large sauté pan. Add 1 chopped yellow onion and sauté for approximately 10 minutes or until translucent. Add 2 cups cauliflower rice. Cover and cook the rice for approximately 5 minutes, stirring frequently until cauliflower is crisp on the outside and tender on the inside. Season with salt and pepper. Now to make our bowls. You're going to top the cauliflower rice with the carnitas, chopped red onion, chopped tomato, cilantro, and sliced avocado. Enjoy! If you're looking for a keto Instant Pot recipe or keto slow cooker recipe, then definitely try these keto bowls. If you want something a little higher carb, then use rice or quinoa for these carnitas bowls. Of course, you can always play around with the toppings depending on your preferences. I like to serve these to a crowd as a build your own carnitas bowl bar. People can pick and choose their own toppings and really make it their own. The next recipe is for the carnitas soup. For this recipe, you're going to start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium heat. You're going to saute 1 chopped red onion, 2 minced garlic cloves for 2 to 3 minutes. From here, you add 3 cups of shredded pork, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 jar of green salsa, a 15-ounce can of rinsed and drained pinto beans, 1 chopped jalapeno, seeds removed unless you really want some heat. For the seasonings, I add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, and salt and pepper. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Remove from heat, stir in the juice of 1 lime and some chopped cilantro to serve. If you want a paleo recipe, you can sub the beans with a chopped potato or sweet potato. Now you know my method for slow cooker carnitas and how I use that core recipe as a base for 2 delicious dinners. This cook once, eat twice method is one of my many tricks for more efficient meal prep. If you would like more help with meal prep, I have done for you meal plans with gluten-free, paleo, and keto options. See the link below to try your first 2 weeks for free. Do you have a favorite cook once, eat twice meal? Let me know in the comments below. Each week I send out done-for-you meal prep meal plans, including gluten-free, paleo, and keto options. If you would like to try these out for only $4 for your first month, see the link below. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you in the next one.